So this short video is going over the transition from losing exchanges to winning exchanges with Terence Crawford versus Kell Brook. This is a short fight. There's some controversy around Kell Brook, blah, 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 blah. I'm focused on the skill at hand. So basically there's two major changes that have to happen, or two major changes that did happen for Terence Crawford, was the timing and trajectory. Once he figured those two out, that's where the knockout came in. So here we go. The first thing is that early on, Terence Crawford was non-committal because of the threat of the counter jab.
Crawford's game now. He's watching his jab without getting hit. To counter Crawford. He's in the build-up to this fight.
And the counter jab was often key to Kell winning exchanges early on.
Southpaw, but in recent years we have seen plenty.
Head, but as you just saw, also to the.
So from the very first bell, the goal, of course, is to try and time your opponent. But in my opinion, Terence Crawford was using the two to the body or the cross to the body to help try and find Kell Brook when he was planted and track him down.
It's automatic. It's his favorite combination, but in the timing and the rhythm of Terence
as well, that foundation with the legs.
Basically, in my opinion, the point of those twos to the body is to try and catch Kell Brook planted, or to try and make him plant. So he's trying to manipulate the timing, and he's trying to find the timing by going to the body. In this example of the second round, we start seeing Crawford win some exchanges. So right here, he's going to win this jab exchange.
Limit. He was fighting brilliantly, and
he avoids Brook's jab and lands his own. The big change, of course, comes when he turns southpaw, because now the jab battle is a completely different kind of battle because of the trajectory of the punch. You're going to see he's going to start multiplying that jab.
Or what he was doing in the right hand is.
And if you look at the trajectory of the punch, it's coming over top. And then in round 3, you start getting signs, more and more signs of the same exact punch that's going to end the fight. So here he's going to step in, wall in rhythm with the probe, and then throw the jab over top.
Out of this world title fight due to COVID.
He breaks the rhythm. When you have the timing and trajectory, the shot starts landing.
But he really didn't have any answers for that.
In this ring against Toka Khan.
Crawford, safe position to let his combinations go. Beautiful right hand.
And with this, you kind of see Crawford will eat some shots while landing his shots, which is exchanges, right? And so what made the final punch so deadly is that instead of Kell Brook pulling back and jabbing over top, he was stepping forward and throwing across. So he multiplied the force because it was two objects colliding with each other, his face and Crawford's fist. Immortality serum out.
Immortality serum is the faction. Plenty entertainment if you're asking. Game of commentary and reactions. There ain't no faking, neither is the capping. It just goes lights, camera,